नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा।
दीप जले हैं कितने दीप बुझाकर, मिली है जब ये आज़ादी तो फिर रखना इस आज़ादी को दुश्मनों से बचाकर, रखना इस आज़ादी को दुश्मनों से बचाकर। नमस्कार, आज मैं खुशी यादव कक्षा 10वीं आ की छात्रा स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर अपने विचार आज़ादी मिले 73 साल हो गए, परंतु हम आज भी हर उस वीर को जिसने इस देश की मिट्टी पर अपने खून का बलिदान देकर हमारे देश को आज़ादी का परचम लहराया हो, उसे शत शत नमन करते हैं। आखिर ये उन्हीं की देन तो है कि भारत आज विकास की राह पर चलते हुए पूरे विश्व में अपनी कीर्ति को गुणगान करता है।
जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है।
Indians are my friends of the whole wide planet.
कहते हैं हमको प्यार से
मैं अंग्रेजों को अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी।
आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के कुंड बाज जंग की घड़ी की तुम
Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing, we bear her along like a pearl on a string.
At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. These golden words will forever remain in the collective minds of Indians everywhere.
सुखदां वरदां
है दोनों इंसान, ला मैं तेरी गीता पढ़ लूं तू पढ़ ले कुरान। इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर है मेरा बस एक ही अरमान, एक ही थाली में खाना खाए पूरा हिंदुस्तान, पूरा हिंदुस्तान।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
माना मौत चेहरा बदल कर आई है, माना मौत चेहरा बदल कर आई है। माना रात काली है, माना रात काली है, भयावह है, गहराई है। लोग दरवाजों पे रास्तों पर रुके बैठे हैं, लोग दरवाजों पे रास्तों पे रुके बैठे हैं। कई घबराए हैं, सहमी, कई घबराए हैं, सहमे हैं, छिपे बैठे हैं, मगर यकीन रख, ये बस लम्हा है, ये बस लम्हा है, 2 पल में बिखर जाएगा। जिंदा रहने का ये जो जज्बा है, फिर असर लाएगा,
मेरे वतन के लोग जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा खुश रहना देश के प्यारों, अब हम तो सफर करते हैं।
Speech is a mirror of the soul. I would invite respected principal sir to address us on
Behalf of Air Commodore B.B. Murli, Mrs. Seva Medal, Air Officer Commanding Air Force Station Kanpur, and Chairman School Management Committee, extend a very warm welcome and congratulate to all my worthy colleagues, school manager, teaching, administrative and support staff for being a part of this lovely Independence Day celebration. The education system was the worst affected in this pandemic and is said an empty mind is devil's workshop. So the teaching fraternity had to design the innovative means to reach out to the students and keep them occupied. Thankfully, technology provides us with the means to do that in a very successful manner. I wish to say that my all worthy colleagues that never let a time of crisis to go in waste. This event has indeed given us an opportunity to push ourselves and to find the ways and improve the overall standard of teaching and learning to connect in a better way. Let's keep up the spirit and be prepared for the challenges ahead, because this particular lockdown and the situation which we all are going through, it is going to be extended, what we can foresee. We are thankful to our valued parents and guardians for keeping their trust and faith toward this school even in present challenging situation. Still they are attached to the school, and a lot of things are happening online with the help of all my worthy colleagues, and they are showing their trust towards the school, the online system which we are following at present scenario. Before I conclude, let's take the pledge that we will work hard towards the progress of our motherland to keep up the glory and fame in the world. We will let our tricolor fly on the sky. Remember, the days are not far away when we shall its superpower on the earth. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. To extend gratitude to everyone who made this program a grand success, I take pleasure in inviting respected Mrs. Aparna Sanjay, Headmistress Air Force School Chaveli, to propose
School manager, teachers, and everyone present here. I take this privilege to propose the vote of thanks as a headmistress of the school on auspicious occasion of 74th Independence Day of our country, Bharat. It has been a great day. We have had beautiful performances by the teachers and very creative and amazing performances put forth by the students through online courses, which includes welcome rangolis, patriotic speech, patriotic dances, poem recitation, tricolor badge, and mass meeting, etc. On behalf of our staff, I thank all the teachers, students, and of course parents who have put in lot of efforts to make the celebration a success. I also thank all admin staff and our helpers for their continuous support and cooperation. I am proud to be a citizen of India, and I feel responsible to celebrate such glorious days. I thank every one of you for making the celebration a success. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable words. It's time to end today's auspicious program Once again, a very happy Independence Day